Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the pandas, and in this lecture series we will discuss about the pandas and how to import and all. So first of all, we need to understand what is the pandas. Okay, so pandas is a powerful Python data analytic tool. Okay, pandas used for data analysis, which is a very powerful tool in Python language. And pandas is an open source, and it is a very fast and efficient data frame object for data manipulation. With the help of pandas, we can reading and writing data structure and different formats like CSV, TSV, TXT, XML, zip, etc. All these files are we can access with the help of pandas. Okay. Now we can categorize panda data structure in three parts. First of all, we discuss about series and then data frame and then panel. Series is a one-dimensional labeled data structure, and uh, data frame is a two-dimensional heterogeneous data structure. But series is a one-dimensional and homogeneous data structure. Okay, and panel is a three-dimensional data structure which is used very less, but mostly use the data frame. In the we use data frame in the pandas. Okay, now pandas is a data analysis tool. We use NumPy for implementation of data. So if we know about what is the difference between pandas and NumPy, so pandas used for data analysis with the help of NumPy. NumPy used for implementation of the data. Okay. Now I'm going to import pandas library. How to import this? For this, we simply, because we need to create a series. For this, first we need to import pandas. So for this, how to import? Simply we write import pandas as given a name, suppose PD. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, we give here, and because we use different times in pandas, so we use a shortcut name as a PD. Now run. Okay, you can see here star because running under process. When it is imported, then you can see here one. Okay, now okay, good. You can see here one. It means panda is imported. Okay, now we create a series because series is a data frame. Okay, so we can create a series with the help of list. So first we need to create a list, list equal to uh, square bracket. As you know, list when we create a list, we use the square bracket, and in list we can mention any data type, suppose integer and character and all. So suppose we need here 1, 2, comma 3, comma 4, and comma 5, and comma 6, and comma suppose data type or data, simple data. Okay, and anything you can pass here. Okay, now we need to print for this for with this with the help of print function we can print this list, but we need to assign this suppose uh, list and name a list, or you can change here, otherwise you can remain as it is. Now print list, print list. Okay, now run. Okay, you can see here this is a list. Okay, now with the help of this list, now we create a series because we use series in pandas. Okay, for this we call simple pd dot series pd dot series and pass the list. Okay, simple. First we need to print, but first we assign a single variable, suppose name series. Okay, here notice that because this is, you can see here the S is capital here. So when we use the series method, we use a capital S. It is important things here. Okay, now print this. For this we pass simple series. Okay, and okay, you can see the this is the series is print because 0, 1, 2, 3 for the indexing and the data values. You can see here we use this list for creating a series. Another method to create a series in a short trick or in a short way, you can simply write here series, suppose series, series suppose 1 equal to pd dot series, and you can pass here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and comma a value. Okay, in inverted comma, simple, and then press shift plus enter. Okay, first you need to print this. Okay, print series. Series 1. Now enter. You can see here we have created another series with the help of this short trick method. Okay, if I want to create an empty list, for this we call simply pd.series and pass in the parenthesis until empty. Empty means it means we pass an empty square bracket. Suppose for this we we take a variable name, suppose empty empt. Okay, and equal to pd dot series, and we pass here a simple square bracket. Okay, and then print empt. Simply we print empt and press shift plus enter. Okay, you can see here here create a series with empty series is created, and data type is float type of 64-bit. Okay, now if you need to create a list with index as desired index, okay, or if we want to indexing not start with 0 or uh, so I hope you all are got it, and if you like this, please like and share. Thank you so much.